Welcome to What's Cooking in Worcester. Today we're making a simple and quick, fun and festive snack favorite, something your whole family can help you prepare. The first step is carving our pumpkin into a jack-o'-lantern. For this jack-o'-lantern, we're just going to draw the face and then carve out a circle for the mouth. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And while that's preheating, we're going to cut our corn tortillas. We're going to spray our corn tortillas with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil spray. Sprinkling this now with a little bit of sea salt. Okay, our oven is preheated. We're going to put our chips into the oven, again at 350 degrees. Works every time. One serving of an avocado contains approximately 64 calories, nearly 6 grams of fat, 3.4 grams of carbohydrate, less than a gram of sugar, and almost 3 grams of fiber. Although most of the calories in an avocado come from fat, don't shy away from them. Avocados are full of healthy, beneficial fat that keeps you feeling full and satiated. When you consume fat, your brain receives a signal to turn off your appetite. Our chips have been in for about 5 to 6 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and pull them out, flip them over, and put them back in. Okay, now we're going to put all of our ingredients together to make this delicious guacamole. So you already saw me scoop out the avocado meat. We're going to take our potato masher and mash that avocado and all the seasonings together with the lime juice. This would be a good task for a young kid to help you with while you're in the kitchen. Kids are more likely to eat foods that they're not familiar with when they help you prepare it. Okay, I'm going to pause from mashing this and I'm going to check on our chips, because I don't want them to burn. And they are perfect, if I do say so myself. The last thing we have to do to this delicious avocado guacamole is to add our tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. And we'll gently fold those ingredients into the mix. We add our guacamole onto the serving platter, and we're gonna place it so that it looks like it's coming right out of the jack-o'-lantern's mouth. There you have it, a fun and festive fall snack that's healthy and homemade. Remember to eat healthy, be active, and prevent diabetes today.